A scope quarter lets you capture high-speed transient events or monitor repetitive signals just like an oscilloscope. Use Auto Setup to find your signals automatically, or set the vertical scale, time per division, and trigger settings manually. Unlike a scope, you'll get up to 128 channels, 2 billion points of memory, isolation, and 12 to 16 bits of vertical resolution. If your event lasts for more than a second, the scope quarter can easily trend for minutes, hours, or days. You can go back and review live data even while acquisition is in progress. And unlike most data acquisition systems, you'll be able to make measurements and analyze your data without taking your data offline. A scope quarter is designed to handle nearly every type of electrical or physical signal. 15 unique module types allow direct input of popular sensors like thermocouples, accelerometers, strain gauges, tachometers, and more. These modules are shielded for the best noise immunity and can be easily interchanged to suit your application. The DL850 is easy to use. Operate it using the physical buttons and knobs, or use a keyboard and mouse if you prefer. Either way, it's easy to get your measured data in and out of the DL850 with USB removable media, SD memory cards, Ethernet, or USB direct transfer. You can even remote control a scope quarter using the free supplied WirePuller software. Whether you have a short observation window like an oscilloscope or a longer-term trending application like a recorder, you can activate any trigger type from the DL850's extensive trigger library. Some of the more popular triggers include edge trigger, or trigger, pulse width trigger, window trigger, and logic trigger. The DL850 offers a number of specialized waveform capture tools. One of these is the wave window trigger, ideal for AC power line monitoring. It lets you define a golden reference waveform. Any subsequent waveforms that don't match your reference waveform, such as surges, spikes, or dropouts, cause the scope quarter to trigger. Another unique feature is dual capture. Dual capture lets you monitor and capture both high-speed and low-speed events simultaneously. With its ample amount of acquisition memory, the Yokogawa DL850's History Memory feature will automatically segment all unused memory space to store past acquisitions, like pages in a book. That means you can go back and review previous acquisitions and look for patterns, anomalies, or statistical information. A scope quarter allows unattended operation with its action on trigger or action on stop. When enabled, the DL850 will automatically send you an email, print your captured data, sound an alarm, or save your data to file when it detects a fault condition. Whether your observation times are microseconds or months. In most cases, you can analyze your captured data immediately and get results with no offline post-processing. That's because the DL850's library of cursors, automated measurement parameters, and even cycle statistics will extract all of the most popular measurement types. Viewing fast Fourier transforms have never been easier. Linear spectrum, real spectrum, power spectrum density, cross spectrum, transfer function, and coherence function, all at your fingertips in one easy menu. The DL850 can perform 2 live FFTs simultaneously. The DL850 boasts improved performance over its predecessor, the DL750, in nearly every area. Major specifications like sample rate, memory, channel count, screen resolution, and data transfer rates are all significantly improved. New features like iRig synchronization and streaming to external disk have been added. The DL850's completely redesigned GigaZoom 2 engine allows for real-time zooming during acquisition, with zoom factors up to 10 million times. More than 100 minor specifications are improved, like history timestamp resolution, backlit channel buttons, and many more. To preserve your investments, the DL850 is backwards compatible with all DL750 modules. 4 new modules have been added to the lineup. The 720210 module is the world's only 100 megasample 12-bit module with 1 kilovolt of optical isolation and a 1 kilovolt input range. The 720220 is a 16-channel scanner module containing 8 subchannels per physical input connector. That means you can equip your DL850 with up to 128 channels per box. A 720230 logic module lets you measure TTL or industrial high-voltage logic signals. The 720240 CAN bus monitor module is designed to measure and trend CAN sensor data. That means you can extract the contents of any CAN identifier and plot its decoded value to the screen, correlated with all waveforms on other channels. The DL850 boasts improved performance over its predecessor, the DL750, in nearly every area. Major specifications